I got a plan now. Watch this. Yes! See that? And you know what happens now? Buy some candy. Blue candies again for me. Thank you. Yay! Who's that? It's Martin Javier! Yay! Way! Martin Javier is here. Tara na. Gusto mo magnanalo at magnanalo kay sa corruption ni President Duterte sa pagkaman ng candy? Ng mga candy? Tara na! Let's change the game at malaman namin kung paano gagawin yun. At yung mga candy wrapper, ang pwede mo itapon ng candy wrapper ay pwede maging art. Paano malaman? Let's change the game and find out. Yay! Game-changing segment! I'm very happy! That's right! It's a good thing that Martin Javier is here. Hey, Kuya Martin Javier! Those girls just always bully me a lot. Do you know that last time, every time whenever I land here, it's always that shit creep who always enters. I don't care, just keep going. Anyway, now, as you can see, wow, it's Martin Javier. He's beamed in just for you. Furthermore, he's broadcasting in Starovision. Ito na, ang balat ng candy wrapper ay ginawa kong maliwanag, kikislap na bituin. I got the star! Yay! Thanks, Martin Javier. See you around the cosmos. Para sa GMA Integrated News, ako si Martin Javier. Ready, guys? Yup, ready. Gotta send myself in front of you. Okay, you know what to say. Changing the game!